Welcome to Gift's Garage. Today we're going to be cleaning headlights with a 3M Ultra Restoration Kit. Hope you enjoy. First, what I like to do is I like to clean both headlights with a simple water and soap solution. With the headlights this hazy, it was hard to tell if the brights were on at night. So after the soap and water solution, I like to use Windex, and I always make sure Windex is ammonia free on all my car cleaning applications. Next up, you're going to go ahead and tape off the area of the headlight. This will help you prevent from sanding on the car paint or getting the chemical on the car for the last step. The kit's going to come with a disc pad holder. You're going to want to keep your drill between 1200 to 1600 RPM, and you're going to use the gold sanding disc rated at 500 grit. After sanding, wipe it down with a paper towel. Make sure the headlight is nice and hazy. Now attach your white finishing disc that's rated at 800 grit. Now, you'll notice with 800 grit the headlight is less hazy. For this next step, you're going to want to make sure to wet the headlight first. Now attach your gray refining disc rated at 3000 grit. You'll notice while you're sanding a white slurry come up. This means you're doing it correctly. Don't forget to keep the headlight wet. Follow each sanding procedure on both headlights. After the sanding procedure, use your quick headlight clear coat wipes to take away the rest of the haze. Look at that, the headlight's looking nice after its first coat. Wait 15 minutes and apply your second coat. I hope you enjoyed watching the headlight restoration video. Thanks for joining us in the shop today.